Some changes to beach bonfire permits and issuance fees are coming to Walton County after tonight's commission meeting. South Walton fire officials say the changes are to enhance public safety and will affect visitors and bonfires on both private and public property. But as News 13's Grace Velez tells us, the reasoning behind the changes seem to be aimed towards regulating commercial activity.
Last year, the Walton County Code Compliance Department reported over 10,500 bonfire cases on public property, a whopping increase from the previous year, which totaled over 6,000 cases. On Monday, Code Compliance officials presented 3 options for board members to consider in order to regulate beach bonfires. One option left the ordinance as is with minor tweaks. The other was a complete shift to only allowing propane fires, which South Walton fire officials spoke to the benefits of.
We received some complaints about how do we eliminate smoke and debris from a bonfire. I promise you I'm not the smartest guy in the room, but there was only 2 solutions I came up with. One was eliminate them totally, which I don't think that's in anybody's interest. And the other was to go to propane. That eliminates smoke and debris.
After a lengthy discussion, commissioners voted on the third option, a hybrid version that would allow both the use of propane and wood, and amended the option to include the use of smokeless fire pits to appease some members of the public. The goal is to encourage more propane use by setting the issuance fee to $50, whereas a permit fee for a wood fire is $100. A change to vendors' annual permit fees raised concern from those in attendance, with more than double the increase from $1,000 to $2,500.
That's just an exorbitant amount to go up from $1,000 to $2,500.
County officials said the goal is to keep the vendors who have what they called skin in the game and weed out the ones who may not be as serious and therefore aren't as serious about following the rules. But some vendors said the price hike may do just the opposite.
I feel like the bigger companies are going to benefit from this because they can absorb that $2,500. And they're also going to be the ones that are causing most of the violations because they've got the most employees there.
In Walton County, Grace Velez, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Code compliance officials say they haven't increased the fees in several years, and it's needed to keep up with code compliance operations, especially with an uptick in beach bonfires. The changes will go into effect February 1st, 2026.